number 1 is to go to this site that pays us $5 for every person that listens to an audiobook that is absolutely free, which means they don't have to buy anything. Friends, let me go further with this tutorial. I want you to give me 15 seconds to tell me who I am and why I am here. So, my name is Anonymous PTW, and yes, I am anonymous for a while. The reason is secret until now, but soon it will be revealed. I am on this platform because I want to show the world that making money online is real and that this is the future. And for this reason, please follow this channel and tell your friend too, because as soon as I can reveal the secret, those have been said, let's get back to the tutorial. So, we will go to Google and search for the site, Audible Affiliate Program. This site is created by Amazon, so you can trust this site and the promises it makes. As I said, and later this site pays $5 for each person who audits an audiobook that is free. Just imagine that person who wants to read that book does not have to pay anything. Just open the link, download the audiobook, and that's it. That $5 is yours. You just have to bring in traffic that is interested and wants to listen to an audiobook. I will show you how to do this in the following. So give this video a like and watch this video until the end. Step number 2 is to access ChatGPT and give it the following task. Make a full guide that solves a problem. For example, how to leverage 7 daily habits to become successful in 3 months. As you noticed, I took this niche. I mean how to become a successful person. So the book that I will choose to promote will be on this theme. But if you don't want this theme, you can choose another theme. I noticed that ChatGPT solved the task and made me a full guide how to become a successful person in 3 months. We leave this slide with ChatGPT because we will need it in the next step. Step number 3, we go to Canva. Here we will create our full guide. To do this, in the search box we will write guide, and we see that they appear to us a lot of models where we can create a guild. I will choose this one. Now I have to edit this file. First row, I will change the picture. We go to images and write success, and a lot of such images appeared to me. I will choose this one. Now we need to change the title. For that I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the title, and I will put it here. Now one thing imported here on the first page is that this combination of words must be found. Full guide for how you can become a successful person in 3 months, or something like that. Only this must be the mandatory here. After this I will go down and do the same thing, children, the text that ChatGPT gave me, and I will put it here. And that's how I complete the whole guide. Now that all the full guide that gave me GBT chat put it here and everything looked good and interesting, we go to step 4. We return to the Audible Affiliate Program site. Here now we have to choose the book to promote. For this you first have to create your Amazon Associates account. For this we will click on Become an Affiliate. This is not difficult. You just need to place some personal information, such as your address, country you belong to, phone number, and so on. Now that the account is created, we will be on the main page from Amazon. Here in the search box we will write like this, Audiobook for Success. And as you can see, most of them are free. I will choose this book. I'll copy the link and go back to Canva where our guide is. Here we have to create another slide where we can write like this, a free audiobook for you. Below I will write like this, click here to listen to the book, and the link to the book here. Now we download this file in PDF format, and we go to step 5. When I thought about this method of making money, I wanted to know how to become a successful person with that full guide. Not just getting money from people who listen to the book, but also a few $100s on top. So in this step I will show you how to add to the $5 for each person. Get a few $100 more very simply. To begin with, I access the site, up4ever.net. When we upload a file to the site and someone downloads it, this site will pay us. To upload a file on this site, you must click on these 3 lines in the air corner and then on Upload Files, and we will appear on this page. Here we will have to click on Choose a File, and we will choose the one we made on Canva with full guide. We will choose it and click on Start Upload. Now we copy the link from this file and go to step 6. We go to the Shrink Me site. This site pays you $1 for each person who clicks on your link. To create such a link, click on Create New Short Link, and this tablet appeared to me. Now we return to this site where we uploaded the file with full guide, and copy the link from the file and put it in this box. After that I click on Shorten, and this link he gave me, it is the link that we will make that $1 for every person who clicks. Step number 7. Now to make all these ways bring us money, we need as many people as possible to find out about our full guide that we created. I have 2 options to do this. The first option is Pinterest, because there are millions of people who visit it daily. Now you only need the first file in your whole file. We go to Canva and download the first card, or you can take a screenshot. Now that we have the first card, we go to Pinterest, click on plus and add the card we downloaded. Now we go back to the GBT chat and copy the title from the full guide that he made for us, and I will put it here. After that we'll take the description and put it here as well. Here now the most important thing is that we go back to the Shrink Me site, and copy that link he gave me. Yes, this particular link. This is very important. We'll take it and put it here, and we're ready to upload our post to Pinterest. That was the first option, but the second is on Imgur. On this site also there are many people who are active every day on this site. So we will upload our file, we will put the title here in the description, we will write like this. Click here to see the guide, and the break of this writing the link on Shrink Me. These are just 2 options to bring traffic, but there are also many others such as different groups on Facebook, or friends.net, YouTube, TikTok and more. Now you can clarify what will happen. People will like your post where it is written, full guide for how you can become a successful person in 3 months. People will be interested and want to see that guide. The first thing they will do is to click on the link. And from the start it's an extra $1 for you. Because as I said earlier, Shrink Me pays $1 for every person who clicks on their link. So, after they click they will be on this page on up4ever.net, where they have to download the file in order to watch it. Again, you won money. After all, people will be on our file that we created with the help of Canva. Here they will give our gift to them. That is, a free audiobook that they will surely listen to that is free. And so we have 3 ways to make money from a single file. Yes, we're not going to make millions of dollars, but a few hundred for sure. Maybe a few thousands. It all depends on you how you are going to bring traffic. Just think 100 people will see your post and click on the link. From the start you will have $100 from Shrink Me. Let's not talk about the other 2 revenue. Friend, that's all if you like this tutorial how to make money online for free in 2024. Leave a like, but if not, tell me in the comments what you didn't like, so that in the next video I'll fix my mistake. With you as Anonymous PTW, and we will see next Sunday.